Hello everyone, welcome again to the second video of VIRTUSA online assessment coding questions. In the previous video we have discussed about the pyramid sum questions, and in this video I have come with another questions, that is ant on rail. So basically the question says that an ant want to move from her initial position. So in order to move from her initial position, sometimes it moves to her right and sometimes it moves to her left. In order to moving her right, that is integer value 1, and moving left, the integer value is -1. So in this question we have to take an array of ant moves, and after calculating each moves we have to calculate the final position. So now moving to the coding part of these questions, here is the coding part of the questions. So in this coding I have created a final position, and then that call that final position after declaring the ant array. So first I will run the program, and I will show you the output. After that I will explain it step by step execution of the program. So first I will run it program. So as you can see here, the final position of the ant is 1, that is declared after each move. So I have quickly copied this program, and I will try to explain each line of code step by step. As you can see here, I have created a public class, and the class name is ant on rail. Okay, now I have created a user defined method to calculate all the moves and the return to the final position. So this method takes an array of integers. This method will take an array of integers representing the movements of the ant. So here is the movements of the ant, and the position I have initialized with 0. Now I have used a for loop, because we have to count and iterate each move. So I have taken a for loop, and it will iterate through each element in the array and updates the ant's position, and it will update the ant position by adding the value of each move. So after each move it will update the int position. So I have declared position is initially 0, and after iterating each moves it will update the position, and at last it will return the final position. So up to here everything is clear, and now I have to call this final position method in our main method. So I have created a main method here, because every Java program should start with the main method. So I have declared the main method. Then an array of integer ant moves I have declared. So I have randomly declared moves of the ant, that is 1 for the right, -1 for the left, and the so on. So randomly I have declared the moves of ant, and now in the next step I have created an integer type final position variable where I will store the final position of the ant after each move. So now I have called the final position user defined function I have created here. Then I have called this final position and passed the parameter ant moves, that the ant. Okay, 1 minute. So as you can see here I have declared the moves of the ant that I have passed as a parameter for the final position method. So what it will do means it will iterate through each moves, and it will update the position after each move, and it will return the final position at the last. So with the help of println system.out.println, I have displayed the final position here. So as you seen earlier in this code, when I run this program it will show the final position is 1. As you can see here, final position of the ant is 1. So how it will work means it will calculate, it will iterate through each of the move, and after that each of the move it will update the position, and at last after moving all the after iterating each of the move it will return the final position. So I hope it will be clear for you in this video, and if you have any doubt, you can ping me in the comment, and I will try to solve your doubt. So be there in the comment, and I will be there to see you. Till now I have cleared how to execute this program and how it will work step by step, and see you in the next video with another questions.